we talk about how can you fix this problem on your general app, dollar general app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here. Then all you have to do, so you just looking for dollar general app here, or just click here on search, then add it here. So add here dollar general app, then you click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on for stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, you click here on storage, then you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do now, you just go to your Play Store, you click here on your Play Store here. So then you search for dollar general app, it's going to show for you like this. Then here you will find updates, you just click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.